Hello, I'm Stacey Harvey-Brown and welcome to the weaving world. Thank you for signing up for this short series. I'm delighted you want to know a bit more about weaving. It's a fascinating topic and it's not as hard as you might think. This short series of videos will help you to follow the processes through and understand what's involved. And when people talk about weaving, it can sound really complicated, but really in reality, it's a series of simple steps that if you do them in sequence, makes it easy. Most people are car drivers, and if you remember your first time behind the wheel of a car, you'll remember wondering how on earth you'd be able to manage everything that you needed to do with looking, with using the hands, with using your feet, doing everything at once. Well, weaving is actually easier than driving. You only do one thing at a time. And what this short series of videos will show is each step in turn. So it'll hone in on just one stage. I'll show you how to do it and explain why you're doing it. And they're only short videos, so they'll give you an idea of what's involved and the kind of equipment that you'll need. So I hope you enjoy this short series. Feel free to like them, share them and make comments. Your feedback would be very helpful. Right, let's get started.